Good morning, children. Welcome back to our class, children. Okay, children, in English subject, what we learn in previous classes, in English subject, we learn the letters from A to E. Okay, today we will learn the letter from F and G. Take out your English practice book and open page number 26. What is there in the 26 page number? C, capital F and small f is there. This is homework for the children. Trace these two letters. Okay, F, capital F and small f. F for what will come? See, F for fan, fork, fish and flower, frog. Yes, children, so many words will come. Okay, and color these four pictures, children. Color these four pictures and open page number 27. What is there here? Capital F and small f is there. Okay, the classwork said you have to see the board and write. Okay, how to write capital F? Take one standing line and take two sleeping lines like this. This is the capital F and this is the small f. Touch these three lines only, both of them. Okay, this is the letter F. Say what is this? Capital F and small f. Very good. This is the letter capital F and small f. F for what will come? F for fish, fan, frog, flower. Yes, children, fork. This will come. Okay, this is the letter F. And open this. See here, 27 page. So now you have to do homework. Okay, children. And open page number 28. See here, what is there? Capital G and small is G is there. G for what will come? G for goat, glass, grapes and blouses. Okay. Open page number 29. Here classwork is there. Okay. How to write G? See the board, children. Capital G we have to write in these three lines. And small g we have to start from second line to till the fourth line. Okay. Like this you have to write. This is the letter G, capital G and small g. Like this we have to write. Small capital G write first three lines and small g touch second line to fourth line. Like this you have to write. This is the letter G. G for what will come? G for goat, girl, blouses, grapes. Yes, children. Got it? This is the letter G. And now you have to do homework, children. Okay, children. Got it? Today we learn the letters from F and G. And take out one more, children. Take out your max worksheet. Take out your max worksheet. See here. Open page number 7. See here. Open page number 7. What is there here? Tall and short. Tall बोलो तो बड़ा है. Short बोलो तो छोटा. See here. Write T for tall and S for short. Okay, we have to write T for tall pictures and S for short pictures. See here. Here girl and boy is there. See here. Who is tall? Boy is tall and girl is short. We have to write here T for boy and S for girl. Okay, here T. See here two lamps are the T for this tall pictures. We should write T and small pictures we should write S. See here dog and camel is there. Dog is short S. We have to write here S. And camel is tall. We have to write here T. Like this here. See here this building is tall. This house is small. Like this we have to write. And this man is tall. This man is short. This flag is tall flag. This flag is short flag. Like this you have to write in your book. This is classwork for your children. And open page number 8. See here what is there here? Color the tall animal. Color the tall animal. See here the giraffe is there. Take out crayons and do color niche. This is homework for your children. And open page number 9. This is also homework for your children. See here. Write L for long pictures and S for short pictures. L for long pictures. Long बोलते बड़ा, short बोलते छोटा. Here see what is there here? Two pencils are there. See long pencil and short pencil. We have to write here L for long and S for short. See here two women are there. This woman having long hair and this woman having short hair. Long and short. Like this you have to do. This is homework, children. And open page number. And open page number 10. This is classwork for your children. See here. Take the girl to the long ribbon. Take the girl to the, here girl is there. Here two ribbons are there. Take the girl to the long ribbon. Like this you have to do. See the book and do, children. Like this you have to do in your book. First take the girl to, like this. Take the girl to the long ribbon. Like this you have to do in your book. This is classwork for your children. And open page number 11. This is also classwork for your children. See here. Write H for heavy things and L for light things. Heavy बोल तो ज़्यादा वजन रहता है. Light बोल तो हल्का वेट रहता है. ऐसा. Here see bus and car. which one is heavy? Bus is heavy and car is light thing. Yes. And see elephant and what is there here? Elephant and deer is there. Yes, elephant heavy for elephant ज़्यादा weight रहते. Yes, deer is lightweight. Here two books are there, diary and book. See here, this one is heavy and this one is light. Here see leaf and bell is there. Bell is heavy, leaf is light. Here see here balloon and top is there. Top is heavy, balloon is light. Here apple and pumpkin is there. Pumpkin is heavy, apple is light. Like this you have to write. This is classwork. And open page number 12. Tick that animal that is in the heaviest of all. In that, which is the heaviest is there? Here see, which is the heaviest? This one is the heaviest. Tick the heaviest animal. Tick. This is the cow. Okay, cow is the heaviest in this both of pictures. And see here, what is there in that? Which one is heavy? See here, peacock is heavy. Yes. Tick that bird that is lightest animal. Tick the bird that is the lightest of all. Lightest of all. This bird is lightest. Yes, children. This is wrong. This is the right. Okay. The आपको tick the animal that is heaviest of all. In that cow is heaviest. And tick the bird that is lightest of all. In that the last one bird is lightest. Yes, children. Like this you have to tick. And here see 13 one. Open page number 13. This is classwork for your children. Write M for more and L for less in the box. See here, how many crayons are there here? More crayons is more but ज़्यादा, less but ज़्यादा, कम. Here write M for more. इधर the ज़्यादा है ना, अपन M लिखना इधर कम है ना, less है ना, इधर L लिखना. Okay, here see how many chocolates are there here? Only 3 is there, less. Here how many there here? 5 chocolates is there, many. Here see how many apples there in that basket? 4 only. This is less. Here see how many apples there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is more and yes, heavy and more. Here see how many pencils there here? Only 3. Less. Here 5 pencils more. Like this you have to write in your book, children. And open page number 14. This is homework for your children. Color the bunches that have more fruits. Color the bunches that have more fruits. Here see which bunch are having more fruits. This first one have more fruits. We have to color this picture. And in that second picture you should do color on these both pictures. Okay, children, this is homework. And open page number 15 also. Homework, children. Numbers 1 to fill the colors in the numbers and learn their names. Fill the colors in the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should do color. Fill the colors and learn number names. One number name say ONE1, TWO2, THREEE3, FOUR4 and FIVE5. Okay, children, got it? Okay, children, see you in next class.